In this video, you learn to create a listing transaction and apply a listing template. To learn more about templates, check the Glide Help Center. Let's get started. We begin on the home page. Click New Transaction. Click the field to select the primary agent. This is going to be me, so I'll select my name on the drop-down menu. You can create a transaction on behalf of another party if you are a TC. For now, this is okay. Click Continue. On this page, we enter the property address and transaction type. We select Listing. Next, pick a status based on where you are in the transaction process. I'll choose Preparing. You can add a transaction template. It's optional, but it's a handy tool that can save time and help you stay in compliance. Click the field. We're going to select a template that we made in a previous video. A transaction template is a blueprint of parties, documents, and form content that can be applied to any new or existing transaction in just a few clicks. You can select more than one template for each transaction. For example, you can create templates by deal type, like listing versus purchase, or property type, like condos or single-family homes. We've already set this up to make it easier for each transaction moving forward. We'll select our listing template called Single Family Home San Francisco, and then click Continue. This page describes the team members. Notice it already includes a listing TC. I added this person to my transaction template, so Glide automatically places the name here. You can add other team members. For this transaction, I'm the only agent, and that's good enough for now. Click Continue. On this page, we add a seller. If the seller is a new client, click Create New Contact. Seller entity type is an important box. You can select the type of person you're dealing with. I'll select individual and then enter a name. We've finished the page. Click Save. On this page, you can add another seller. For now, one is okay. Click Continue. This screen acts like a zip form cover page and lets me customize any details about the transaction. All fields completed here automatically pre-fill the corresponding document fields within the transaction. Adding information now is optional. This screen is here for convenience. It can also be accessed at any time from the Party and Details section, which is on the left navigation bar of the Transaction Overview page. Here I can continue customizing parties to this transaction and information. Since we applied a listing template when creating a transaction, we can see that a team member was added to the transaction, my transaction coordinator. Under Listing Information, I set the listing date, and I also set the listed price. Under Commission, I'll set the commission rate at 4%. Click Continue. Glide returns to the Transaction Overview page. We're done. We created a listing transaction. In the next video, you learn how to create a listing agreement and send it out for signatures.